So this one says graph the given function 7 to the x. So let's do that real quick. I'm just going to come in here, clear out my screen, and I'm going to put 7 raised to the x, hit graph, and there's my graph. And let me take a picture of that so we can put it in the notes. And there it is. All right. So it says which key features apply to the graph. The graph has an asymptote at y equals 7. So remember, asymptotic behavior or asymptote means there's a threshold or a boundary that it can't go past. So what they're saying is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They're saying that it never crosses a boundary right here at y equals 7. So right about here, but clearly it does because of it goes right through that. Now it doesn't cross -1. It doesn't cross -7, but it definitely crosses at 7. So that's not true. That's not a good answer. The next one says the graph has an asymptote at y equals 0. As x approaches positive infinity. Well, it does have and now what they're saying is that the horizontal asymptote y equals 0, it never crosses that threshold. Well, that's true, but that's as we're going towards negative infinity, right? So they're saying positive infinity. Well, no, it doesn't have asymptote. It's going as x approaches. This is the x-axis. As x approaches positive infinity, it does not have an asymptote. So that's not a true statement. Then C says the graph has an asymptote at y equals 7 and is increasing as x approaches positive infinity. No, it doesn't have an asymptote at 7. Let's see if D is correct. It says the graph has an asymptote at y equals 0 and is increasing as x approaches positive infinity. Oh, I'm sorry. This one said decreasing. So that's why that one was wrong. Not necessarily that it had D is the right answer. I misread B. I skimmed through these real quick and saw that D was the right answer. B was wrong because it says it's decreasing. Basically what they're saying is that that it had an asymptote. Uh-oh, lost my mouse. Oh, there it is. They're saying that it had an asymptote at 0, but then it decreased. And that's not true. So that's why B's not right. Because it said the word decrease. This is true. D is true because it does increase. Okay? As x approaches positive infinity.